Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 157 Crescent Hill Road, an architect-designed Pittsford Dream Estate on over 6 acres and 1,000 feet of Irondequoit Creek waterfront, updated to perfection. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This nature paradise starts on the very private entrance at the very end of Crescent Hill Road and meanders through nature till you arrive at this special property with an expansive covered front porch. Welcome your family and friends with this beautiful foyer with crown molding, pottery barn light fixture, and hardwood floors, opening to this stunning light and bright living and dining room with a fireplace, crown molding, hardwood floors, built-in cabinetry with a marble design quartz countertop, great for serving and entertaining with those nature views. The hallmark of this special home is this cathedral ceiling great room. The amazing wall of windows bring to life this nature paradise inside. Open to the Dream Cook's kitchen with beautiful Amish cabinetry, marble designed quartz countertops with a breakfast bar, KitchenAid appliances, and hardwood floors make this very special. All with access to this maintenance-free deck with million-dollar views. The excitement continues throughout the home with 3 spacious bedrooms and baths, 2 en-suites, all with hardwood floors, including this first floor spacious bedroom and bath, with custom Amish vanity and marble designed quartz countertop and tile shower with heated tile floors. The first floor also has another spacious bedroom and bath with the same Amish vanity and cabinetry and the marble designed quartz countertop with heated tile floors. The second ensuite has elevated views of this nature paradise, hardwood floors, huge walk-in closet, dual sink Amish vanity with marble designed quartz countertop, walk-in shower, and heated tile floors. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details, featuring maintenance-free siding, PVC trim, and aluminum-clad Pella windows. The spacious garage features epoxy floors. The 6+ acres has many hiking trails to see nature at its best, along with the flowing water of Irondequoit Creek with approximately 1,000 feet of waterfront. You feel like you are in your own private park. This is the ultimate nature paradise. It is even special in the evening. You hear nature alive with their sounds of delight and peace. Crescent Hill Road is a very special neighborhood of fine homes. The private drive borders town parkland. Nearby, everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 157 Crescent Hill Road in Pittsford. This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.